Okay, this is video 4 on the apron. These were a couple little updates. One, I forgot to say in the final install video, moving the bat wings back. So gently move them back to where they were, which is, you'll see the metal tip is right at the start of that. That's their home position. So I don't believe they have it in programming that it automatically goes back to home. So just in case, gently move it back. The other thing I want to point out is with the LED strip being on here, I have this one still untaped to show. It's laying out right there. If you don't want to see it like that, this is how the original Spotlight was as well. There is enough room, when I come back this way, to go right over, you see the silver metal right there that's not powder coated? You can go right over the top of that. So you feed the LED strip through there and then come out. So instead of going through this side, you can go through here and then it'll just be right there on the side and go right over. So it gives a little bit more of a clean look if you don't want it like that, which is, again, that's how it was from factory pretty much. It'll be a little tighter with the zip ties on the inside, but gives you two different options. So that was just a little update video for it. Hope you guys like it. Scooby-Doo's a great game.